Oh. I'm here in the highlands of Guatemala, hiking a volcano called Acatenango. It's like over 12,000 feet. Next to this volcano is called Volcán de Fuego. It's a volcano that's very active and erupts like every 15 minutes or so. We are going to the top, spending the night, and hopefully I get some good visibility to see the eruptions. Hiking in a large group, like 17 people, which normally is not my style, but it was going to cost me a lot more on transportation and rentals to come here on my own with all the gear. So, doing the group thing, giving it a shot. Buenas tardes. This is Rio, my roommate in Guatemala. Spingo, wakarimaska.
Spingo. Chotto. Chotto.
This is the Japanese I learned at breakfast today. We're finally coming out of the cloud cover. It's kind of cool, but super humid here, and even over 10,000 feet now, but it's super humid. So you get really sweaty as you hike up here. Explica por qué es tan especial Acatenango.
¿Por qué es tan especial?
Sí.
Porque dormimos en un volcán dormido y vemos un volcán activo y tenemos una vista espectacular. Vemos 4 volcanes.
We just arrived, see the volcano, and it exploded right as we arrived. Thoughts on the eruption, team?
El espíritu del montañas.
Here's our huts for the night. We're gonna be sleeping real cozily together. I've never seen a volcano erupt, but it's pretty incredible. Oh shit. It's erupting right now. Oh! The next morning we got up at 3 a.m. to go to a closer point to look at the volcano eruptions, but as you can see here it was fogged in and we didn't see anything, so we went back to camp. Headed down the mountain into the group hike. Didn't get to see the volcano erupt today, unfortunately, in the clouds. Typically I climb mountains for the peace and solitude, but this hike is already so crowded that I think the group call is definitely the way to go, and it was fun. Got to meet a lot of cool people, so no regrets on that. Seeing a volcano erupt was crazy, thing I did not know I needed in my life, but definitely worth it. Fun hike in Guatemala.
¿Dónde están las cervezas?
¿Qué le dan de 1 a 10?
20.
20.
8.
8. ¿Por qué no 10?
No, un 10. A pesar de que estaba así,